The ultimate yachting experience is about control, customization, precision, and safety. Let's show you how the Yacht Group puts it all together for your boat or your yacht. We at the Yacht Group focus on innovative products for the marine industry. We've been in business 22 years with tens of thousands of customers. We have great products that help customers feel at ease in the docking and boat operational experience. Our mainstay product, Yacht Controller, focuses on single-handed docking, effortlessly allowing you to dock your boat from anywhere on board the vessel, eliminating blind spots and eliminating the anxiety factor from the docking scenario. Dynamic positioning. Those that are looking to keep their boat in position while waiting at locks or bridges, we now offer aftermarket dynamic positioning complementing your wireless Yacht Controller. Yacht Controller, now over 22 years in existence with over 30,000 delivered systems worldwide, has really changed the boat handling dynamic. As the customer and the boater has evolved, so has Yacht Controller. We're on our 10th generation today. We offer amazing features and custom profiles to make the experience for the boater that much more pleasurable. So with today's new generation Yacht Controller, we offer 3 different models: the Optimal, the Maximo, and the Supremo. And we get asked a lot, what's the difference between the 3 models? Ideally, communication protocol and features are all the same. Really what we're focusing on is type of propulsion and size of vessel. The Optimal is traditionally for the center consoles, smaller size yachts, outboard motor application. The Maximo for the mid-range yachts for boats up to about 85 feet, and the Supremo for the larger yachts in the Ocean Alexanders, for example, Super and Mega Yacht series. One of my favorite features in the new generation Yacht Controller is our patented Wi-Fi integration. When we first launched Yacht Controller, we focused on the universal aspect, being able to have a wireless controller that tailored to all MarineMax brand yachts. But as the customer has evolved, we found that customers boat different styles. And those profile settings have allowed us to customize the Yacht Controller experience for the unique boater. But what's great is with Wi-Fi integration, we now have the ability to remotely access your Yacht Controller from anywhere in the world for real-time customer service, whether it be changing profile settings, software updates, firmware updates, or real-time customer service on board your vessel. It is a game changer in the wireless control industry. Our Yacht Graphics division focuses on customization to any design, style, or font of boat name you wish for your vessel to give it that personal touch. We offer our Yacht Beam and our Yacht Cam division for night navigation, your thermal imaging cameras, searchlights and spotlights for safe operation in night boating. Our Yacht Thruster and Easy Drive Thruster division, we focus on providing thrusters for aftermarket installations in the towboat market, in the center console market, and the mid-range yachts. These innovative products wrapped under the Yacht Group umbrella is what truly makes our company special. For more information on all our product lines, visit our website, www.theyachtgroup.com. And for your next boat or yacht, visit marinemax.com.